In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove CMS from Framer. If you've ever duplicated a template or inherited a project that came with data you don't need, cleaning out the CMS will simplify your workspace and prevent unexpected content from showing up on your site. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few guardrails to keep everything tidy and safe. Start by opening your Framer project. You can do this either in the browser or the desktop app. The experience is the same for what we're doing today. Make sure you have editing access to the project so you can make changes. Before you proceed, it's smart to review what parts of your site currently rely on CMS content. If you're unsure, a quick scan through your pages to spot dynamic sections can help you anticipate what will change once the CMS is gone. Next, click on the CMS in the left-hand sidebar. This opens the area where all of your dynamic content lives, typically organized into collections like blog posts, projects, testimonials, or team members. Inside each collection, you'll see individual items and the fields that feed components across your pages. Think of this as a central database for repeatable content. If your goal is to fully remove CMS-driven content, you'll focus on the collections themselves. If you only want to prune specific entries, you'll be looking at the items within a collection. When you're ready, right-click on what you want to delete. If you right-click a collection, you'll remove the entire data source, which means any components bound to that collection will lose their data and may show placeholders or appear empty. If you right-click an individual item, only that entry is removed, and any lists or components connected to the collection will update accordingly to exclude it. Framer may ask you to confirm the deletion. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental data loss. Take a moment to read the prompt so you know exactly what's being removed. After deleting, give your pages a quick look in preview to confirm everything still appears as expected. Sections that previously pulled from the CMS might need a design adjustment, a fallback text value, or to be switched over to static content. If you notice any bindings highlighted or components reporting missing data, that's a sign the related collection or item was connected there, and you can update the component's content settings to resolve it. That's all there is to it. Open your project, head to the CMS, and right-click to remove what you no longer need. With a few checks afterward, you'll have a cleaner, lighter project that's easier to maintain.